So a lot of people ask, why aren't things labeled? And there are two categories for labeling that really apply to consumers in terms of us trying to reduce our toxin exposure. We have the personal care and the cosmetic products, and then we also have the cleaning products. As far as the cosmetics and the personal care products, that is regulated by the FDA. And to a certain degree, actually, the ingredients need to be on the box of the container. However, there are a few little loopholes when it comes to that. Words like fragrance do not have to be totally labeled, so they can get away with just saying the word fragrance and not list all the ingredients that are actually in fragrance. The ingredients in cosmetics and personal cares do have to be listed in descending order. When you get to 1% of the container, the chemicals no longer have to be labeled. Also, if there's a trade secret, they can apply to the FDA and ask that ingredient be called other ingredient so they don't have to tell you. So there are ways that a company can get away with not putting all of the ingredients on their labeling. As far as cleaning products go, that's not under the FDA regulation. That's under the EPA. They do not require listing the ingredients. They do say that the ingredients have to be safe according to the manufacturer's testing, and again, according to what's considered safe, which is kind of a loose definition. The EPA does require that on a label they have danger or caution, and you might have seen those. But outside of that, the ingredients do not have to be listed on cleaning products. Consumers have kind of demanded it, so oftentimes they'll put it on there. But by law, companies do not have to list their ingredients on cleaning products, laundry products, etc.